Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a new user account. If you want to add another user in your local PC without any Microsoft account, you don't need any Microsoft or anything. Just need local username details like username and then password. So let's go ahead and start with that. So I go ahead and then click on start, and then I can type control panel. As you can see, it came right here. So you click on this one, and then this will open control panel for you. So this is how it looks. So this is exactly how it looks. So when you open initially, you can also change this view, but you can see small icons. For the small icons, it will display all of the options. So for now, I'll leave it as default. So from here you go to user accounts. It's right here. So you can click on user accounts. So once you click on it, and then it will open this menu for you, credential manager and then user account. So you can click one more time on user account, and then from here you see all the options like on your username here, and then administrator as you, and then you see all the options like change your account type, change your account name, etc. So for now you want to add another user in your local PC. So let's go ahead and then click on change user control settings. No, that's not the option. So you can go on manage another account. Okay, so as of now you see only one user here, so I need to add one more user here. So once you clicked on manage another account, and you can see the option, there is only one user here, which is my account as an administrator. So as an administrator you can add one more account. So you can go ahead and then click on add new PC, add new user in PC settings. So you click on this one, and then this will pop up for you. So from here you can click on add account, and then this will redirect to the Microsoft website saying that the person needs to be sign in information. So for now you don't have to do anything on these ones, but if you have any Microsoft account you can give it, but for now we are creating locally user, so not like an online account with Microsoft. So for that you have to click on I don't have this person's sign in information. Okay, and once you click on that, it will take you to another page from Microsoft again saying, do you want to create a new user for the user you're about to create? So for this, you have to ignore all first and second options, because you cannot use a phone number. You cannot use, let's say you don't have any options to these ones. Let's say you don't have any email or phone numbers or anything, but ignore these two, and then you click on this third option called add a user without a Microsoft account. Okay, go ahead and click on this one, and then you give a name, whatever the username will be. So let's say David. Okay, so I give you password, like whichever the password you give, you make sure you remember that, or you make a note of the password all the time. And then I type one more time, and then here is the security question in case you um, forget your password or anything, it will ask you something like that. So I'm gonna randomly hit some, because I'm not really creating, but I'll just ignore for this now. But you have to type exact answers for this one. So when you lose your password, when you don't remember your password, so this way you can retrieve your password back. Okay, and then that's it. So it's been added to the local account, and then you can type change account type, and you can select this administrator or standard user. Standard user is like a normal PC user. You don't have access to change any PC settings. So let's say if it's the administrator, so you can do everything in the PC as you have the rights. It's like you have the all the rights, but the new guy, whoever you just created, will be also having the same rights. So you can remove, you can add, you do all the activities. So I don't want to create it as an administrator, but I'll do standard user, and then I go ahead and then click on OK. I think here it's not reflecting yet, so I might need to refresh this page. Okay, That's interesting. Let me see. Manager. Okay, there it is. So refresh didn't work, but I went back and then I entered back in. So this is it. You can see the username is created, and then let me try to log in with this username I created just now. But I'll crop the video anyway. So I'll go ahead here and then not shut down. So I'll go ahead and then I click on sign out. It says signing out now, and then I can click on the screen and then I can select the David and then I enter password. Okay. Yeah, so it's setting up its new username and then PC settings, whatever is from the Microsoft inbuilt by default. So you have to give it like 5 to 10 minutes here. Yeah, so as you can see, it just created a new user, and then I signed in with the new user, and then here it is how it looks like with the David account right here. It's same as the default by Windows 11. So you click here Windows and then you see all the options. But let me try something here. See control panel. So this guy has access to these ones. Okay. Let's say I can remove these ones. I don't think I'll remove these ones. See, so it's gonna ask the administrator password when you try to remove something. So this guy doesn't remove anything, and he don't have access to remove any of your computer stuff from your thing, because I put the username as standard. So once you put the standard, he won't be able to make changes to the PC, and then he can create new folders, and then I think he can create a copy paste etc. But yeah, so he can do pretty much operations everything inside locally his PC, and then he's not impacting your PC or your PC settings or your PC programs or anything installed in your PC will be there, because this guy has no administrator access. So for that, if you want to make changes for this guy, let's say you want to make him changes for your PC, uninstall, install softwares, whatever the programs you require. So in that case, you need to make his account as administrator. Let me see how that done. Just give me, and then I'll log into mine. So okay, I'll sign in. So again, I go to control panel. From here, I go to user accounts, and then again user accounts, and then from here, manage another account. So for for this, you have to go to the user account details, and then from here, you have to click on change the account type. Once you click on this one, you will see the same options here, standard and then administrator. So you only see two options because standard is like normal. So that's how you add a user or modify user in Windows 11 PC. So this is pretty much for this video today. If you have any questions or anything, just you can drop it down in the comments, so I can look it up, and then I'll reply, and then I follow up with you. Okay then, thank you for watching my video.